Hey everybody, it's Lindsay, and I want you to go grab your favorite hula hoop right now and get ready to dance with me. I am so excited about today's video because although I know it's fun to learn new tricks in general, I think it's even more fun to bring your own personality into the tricks that you already know. In my last video, I taught you guys a continuous hoop combo made up of an escalator, a revolving door, a smear, and a linear isolation. Here's what it looked like. If you don't already know this combo or you need a refresher on any of the tricks, please visit my tutorial first. I'll link it down below. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Once you're familiar with the combo, I want you to grab your favorite hoop and come back to this video. And then I'm gonna share with you one hoop dance technique at a time, and I want you to explore that technique while doing the continuous combo. My hope is that by focusing on dance techniques instead of what trick is coming up next, you're better able to find new movement and expand your hoop dance. Try to focus on one technique at a time while we're going through this, but of course, if you feel compelled to throw in another trick or another technique, just go with it. There are no rules here. We're only exploring our creativity and finding inspiration, so no pressure, just go for it. Now let's stop talking and start dancing. Before we start, I just want to mention that you are more than welcome to mute my boring voiceover and stock music and put on some music that inspires you instead. Different types of music can influence your movement, so play around with it and see what works for you. I also encourage you not to rush through this, just slow it down, think about new ways of moving, and have fun with it. So first up is one of my favorites, spinning. And I love spinning because it seriously makes every move look 10 times cooler and it disguises any mistakes. All right, let's start doing the combo turning in the direction of our dominant hand. So I'm doing the combo with my right hand and turning to the right, but if you're left dominant and doing the combo on the left side, turn to your left. See how each move feels as you turn with it. Are you feeling dizzy yet? Make sure you take deep breaths as you spin and take a break if you need it. Now let's switch it up and turn in the opposite direction. So now I'm still doing the combo on my right side, but I'm turning to the left. As you're doing this, you're gonna notice that the combo feels completely different and it gives the tricks a whole new look. All right, let's finish playing with spinning by switching up the directions as we do the combo. Next, we're going to explore our space. Turning comes in handy with this one too. Even if you only have a small space to dance in, I challenge you to use it to its maximum. Step out of that same one spot that you constantly find yourself going back to and explore the rest of the room. And if possible, you can find a bigger space that you can dance in. If you're having trouble deciding where to go, try traveling across the room and then back again. Let's finish this one off by just practicing traveling around the room with a little bit of spinning. The last technique we're going to do today is exploring full body awareness. This is a big one, so we're going to take it one body part at a time. So I'm starting with my arm. So let's continue doing the combo, but instead of focusing on the arm that's controlling the hoop, I want you to bring attention to the other arm. So see which ways you can move it around and bring some personality and uniqueness to your hoop dance. Next, let's bring attention to our legs and our footwork. You'll notice that I'm taking this part really slow because I'm really trying to think outside the box and think of what things I can do with my feet. So you can see here I'm exploring with pointed toes. I'm kind of trying some sweeping motions with my feet as I turn. I'm also bringing my toes up to my knees and seeing how that feels. So play around with that too. Did you notice a little bit of a change here? You can tell that I put on a more upbeat song, which totally changes the look of the combo. I'm also exploring with flexed feet instead of pointed toes, so these are some more ideas that you can play around with too. You can do this kind of practice with literally any body part, so here I'm going to do it with my hips. Feel free to try it along with me. When I say you can do this exercise with any body part, I really mean it. So here I'm going to try it by focusing on my head. Let's finish off today's exercise by putting it all together. It can definitely seem like a lot to think about spinning and exploring your space and full body awareness all at once while doing hoop tricks at the same time. So don't overwhelm yourself. Just take it slow, play with them as they come, no pressure. Let's finish this off with just a little dance session. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this practice, and I hope it allowed you to explore your own style of hoop dance. If you discovered a new way of moving or felt inspired, please take a video and share it with me on Instagram over at LizFlows_. I would love to see what you guys came up with. If you would like more of these Dance With Me videos, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an awesome day. Happy hooping.